how to view profile insight on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how you can view profile insight on your Facebook account. So let's get started. So on this process, firstly you'll have to open your Facebook app with your logged in account. So simply you have to open it. Alright, so now from here you'll have to go the option three line just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply you have to tap on it. And now from here you'll have to go the options your profile section, so you have to tap on your profile section. All right, so from the profile section you'll have to go the option three dots, so it will appear on this edit profile option, so simply have to tap on the three dots. All right, so after you move with the profile settings, you will have to scroll down and find the options like turn on professional mode, so you have to turn on the professional mode, so you have to tap on this option. All right, so simply from here tap on this turn on option. Okay, so simply next, follow the procedure, confirm, next. Alright, so after you turn on the professional mode, you have to back from here, and now on the profile section you will got such options like professional dashboard, so simply you have to tap on this professional dashboard option. Alright, so back from here. Alright, so now on the professional dashboard, you will be able to see your insight on Facebook. So this is the easiest and simplest method to view the profile insight on your Facebook. So for that, you'll have to turn on the professional mode on the Facebook. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.